The world had suddenly become much bigger than him.
I don't know, where have I reached?
Caesar was scared with that unusual sound that he froze for a moment. His fear reminded him of a wise mentor's words.
Hey kiddo, my breed was built for one job. So was the Huskies, the Pomeranians. We all have one thing. But your breed? Germans bred you to think under pressure, to protect when you're scared, to track when you're lost. Fear was never meant to stop you, pup. It was meant to sharpen you.
The fear was still there. But for the first time, Caesar stopped running from it.